What's up, guys? Today I'm going to teach you to look OLL. OLL is the third step in CFOP where you do one algorithm to solve the whole yellow face like this. The only problem is you have to learn 57 algorithms to do this. So today I'm going to teach you to look OLL where you only have to memorize 10 algorithms and you do 2 algorithms to solve the yellow top. So to look OLL looks something like this. You do one algorithm to solve the yellow cross, and then you do one more algorithm to solve the whole yellow side. So the first 3 algorithms I'm going to show you will solve the yellow cross, and there's 3 cases you could get. The first case is the line. If you get a line, hold it horizontally, not vertically, horizontally, and then do this algorithm. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. It's a really simple algorithm. The way I like to memorize it is flip, upside down, other side, then unflip. The second case you can get is a small L like this, where only 2 cross pieces are solved. And what you're going to do is you're going to hold it in the bottom right, and then it's just like the algorithm we just did, except you're going to do a fat flip. So it looks like this. You're going to do a fat F, so a wide F move, then upside down other side, then another unfat move, like that. So it's just like the other algorithm, except with fat Fs. The last case you can get to solve the yellow cross is just a dot. And what you're going to do is you're going to do the 2 algorithms I just showed you in order. You're going to first do the line algorithm. So F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. And then you're going to do the L algorithm. Fat F, R, U, R prime, U prime, unfat F. And it should solve the yellow cross. Now, these next 7 algorithms are algorithms you do once the yellow cross is already solved, and you do them to solve the rest of the yellow side, starting out with soon, also called the fish. It is where you have a fish shape, and then the yellow bar, there's a yellow piece on the right. It can either be on the left, that's called anti-soon, you're about to see that one next, but soon is where it's on the right. So if the yellow piece is on the right, for example, it's not on the left, it's on the right, they're going to do this algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. It solves the yellow face. The next algorithm you can get is called anti-soon, which is the fish algorithm. But as you see, the yellow's not on the right side. It's on the left side now. So if it's on the left side, you hold the fish so it faces down to the right like this, and you basically do soon but with your left hand. So you do the fish algorithm with your left hand. It's L prime, U prime, L, U prime, L prime, U2, L. And it will solve the yellow face. The next case is called the H case, and it's where you have 2 headlights on opposite sides and just a cross. So as you can see, there's a cross, 2 headlights on opposite sides. You're going to hold it so that one of the headlights is on the right and the other pair of headlights is on the left. You're going to do this algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U prime, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And it kind of looks complicated, but a good way to remember it is put the headlights on both sides and then do the fish algorithm, up, side, down, side, up. And then instead of doing 2 sides at the end, you're only going to do 1 side. So don't do 2 sides like that, only do 1 side. Go back down, swipe the pair to the back, put the yellow bar up, and now do 2 sides. Put it back down, and it solves the yellow side. The next case is called pi, and it's where you have a cross on top, and there's headlights, but then there's not another pair of headlights. There's only 1 pair of headlights. Then these 2 bars are sticking out like this. Hold the headlights so they're on your left, and these 2 bars so they're facing out this way, and you're going to do this algorithm. R, U2, R2, U prime, R2, U prime, R2, U2, R, and it should solve the yellow face. The next algorithm is called headlights, and it's where we have this 2x3 bar and 1 piece right here, so it looks like this on top. Then we have a pair of headlights. And what you want to do is hold the headlights so they're facing towards you. Then you're going to do this algorithm. R2, D, R prime, U2, R, D prime, R prime, U2, R prime, and it will solve the yellow face. The next case is called the T case, and it's where you have this same shape as before, 2x3 bar and one piece on top, but then instead of having a pair of headlights, you have these two yellows sticking out sideways. What you're going to do is face the top so that it's facing like this way, and so you can see the headlight on the left, one of the pieces, and what you're going to do, this is the algorithm. Fat R, U, R prime, U prime, fat R prime, F, R, F prime, and it will solve the yellow face. The last case is the bow tie, and that's where you have this like infinity shape on top. It looks like a bow tie, and then you have these two pieces facing out. What you're going to do is you're going to take the piece that's on the right and face it towards you. Then the algorithm is just like the T algorithm, except you're going to take the last move and put it at the beginning. So this is what it is. F prime, fat R, U, R prime, U prime, fat R prime, F, R. And it should solve the whole yellow face. Thanks for watching. Now you should know full 2-look OLL, and you should be able to solve the yellow face in only 2 algorithms. Please like and subscribe.